Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the pantry drawer end cap kit in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new pantry drawer end cap kit. The pantry drawer end cap kit consists of the two left and right support rails. Also, each of the end caps has a hinge pin that allows the pantry door to swivel up and down. If the pantry drawer won't easily glide in and out, or the pantry door won't stay in place, check and replace the pantry drawer end caps. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. Now we're going to take out both crisper pans, pull them out, lift and remove. Next, I'm going to push up and remove the crisper glass. Next, we're going to remove the crisper shelf frame. Lift up and pull out. Next, I'm going to remove this pantry drawer, pull it out, and lift up, and we can remove it completely. Now I'm going to push up and then carefully remove this glass shelf. Next, I'm going to remove this support bar. Simply lift it up. Now I'm going to remove the pantry door. It's held in place with the two hinges here in the corner, so we're going to push this in and press that hinge at the same time, and we're going to take off the door from the right hinge, and now we can remove it. To remove the rail, we need to take out two 1/4-inch screws. They look like this. One is right there and the other one is here, so we can use a 1/4-inch nut driver and take this one out. Then I'm going to push in the rail, and the second screw is right there. And again, 1/4-inch nut driver, we're going to take it out. So now I'm going to use the same 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to take out a couple of screws, one in here, one in here, and we're going to take out this right side end cap. We're going to remove this right side end cap. First I'm going to push it up, then we're going to pull it out, and I'm going to disengage. There's a tab at the back of this slider. Alright, remember how we took out the right side rail? The left side I'm going to take a little bit differently. So close it, and then I'm going to use this 1/4-inch nut driver, and I'm going to take out the screw from here first, and then this one. Now it's the time for the left side end cap to go out. Two 1/4-inch screws again. Gonna lift it up at the front and pull it out. Right now, guys, we need to detach this sliding mechanism from this right side end cap. We're going to start with pressing this little round knob and pulling at the same time. I'm going to pull on this mechanism here. All right, so now we're going to use a flat blade screwdriver. We're going to remove these tabs. And now we're going to turn this and free this tab from this bracket, put it aside, and next thing we will press this 1, 2, and 3 tabs in and slide down this rod. I'm gonna lift it up, and we're going to disconnect this side. And now we're gonna push on this locking tab, and we're going to remove this slider. Piece of cake. This is the old pantry drawer end cap kit next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Now we need to install the slide kit on the right side end cap, and we're going to start with this little slider. We're going to put this in first. By simply pushing it in. Turn it over, and we're going to install this rod here. And you're going to turn it and lock it here. Be careful, don't break it. We're going to lock this rod into the 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a small one here. And here goes this side assembly. Goes in this way. So first I'm going to lock this into the cutout. I'm going to turn it. Alright, at this point we're going to free this one clip here. So we need a little more free move here. And then I'm going to push this in so the knob goes in. I'm going to lock these 2 tabs here. And now we're going to place this under that tab here. I'm going to check how it works. Okay, it's fine. We can now install it into the fridge. Okay, so I can install this right side end cap. This tab goes right in the slot here at the back. Push it in, and I'm going to bring it in, and the 2 rear tabs goes in the cutouts, and I'm going to push it down so it will lock. Next we're going to secure it with a couple of screws. So we're going to use 2 longer screws and a 1/4" nut driver. Now I'm going to install the rail, and we have left 2 shorter screws, and I'm going to use the same 1/4" nut driver and place the screw right here. I'm not going to tighten it, and slide the rail back, and we're going to install the second screw here. The hole is right there, so we're going to install the screw through this opening. Tighten it, and we're going to tighten this rear one. Pull it out. Now going to install the left side end cap. There's 2 tabs at the back, goes into the 2 slots. Just like that, and then we're going to put it next to the wall and press down so it will lock here in front. Next we're going to secure it with a couple of screws. I'm going to use the 1/4" nut driver. So again, we have here 2 holes. I'm going to install the rail and secure it with a couple of 1/4" screws. They are the shorter screws. The longer one we installed into the end cap. I'm not going to tighten it yet. push the rail closed, and we have a opening right there. And I'm going to install the screw right in there. I'm going to tighten it, and I'm going to tighten the back one. Pull out the rail. And now we're going to install this beautiful door. These two hinges are holding it, so we're going to place it on. And now on this side, we're going to bend this in and press on the hinge at the same time. That's the time to install this support bar back. Simply drop it in. Right, I'm going to install this glass shelf carefully. I'm going to place it on the top, slide it in, and I'm going to support it and lower it down. I'm going to push the rails in, lift up the door, and slide the drawer in all the way. And we're going to let the door down. Okay, let's place the frame in. We have two posts at the back that are going to be slit into these two openings. And then I'm going to push it down. And now we're going to install the glass. I'm going to put it on, support it from underneath, and I'm going to install the two crisper pins. Place it on the rails and slide it in. Now when we're done, we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.